In today's episode, we're going to unbox this. Marshall sent this to me for free, and if you want to know why, stay tuned. Just to give you a history, how it started, back in November last year, I purchased this. This is the Marshall headphones, Marshall Major 2, as a gift for my girlfriend. So, binigay ko tong gift para sa kanya because there's one time na pumasok kami sa, I think it's Odyssey. We're trying to buy headphones, and then we saw this. And then the moment we tried this, I saw her reaction and she fell in love with it. And then I told myself na, okay, this is definitely the one that I'm going to give her sa anniversary namin. Oh! Naiilog na naman yung mahal. And then yun na nga, dumating na yung anniversary namin, which is this.
Wala mo. Oh, ano ba yung pinupunta mo lagi dyan? Damit lang?
Sapatos.
Oo, sapatos?
Bag.
O, tingnan mo, ano yan?
Gusto ko, ano ko sa'yo? Mahal!
Box lang yan. Kung saan mo nadali? Alam mo?
So there! By the way, I got this for 4,650. Probably after a week, syempre, nakita ko, ang ganda eh, di ba? Ang ganda, so, ako naman, nainggit. Gusto ko rin ako, meron din ako, syempre. Pero actually, secondary lang yung inggit. The main reason is para couple headphones, ha? Huh? See what I did there? After a week, syempre, nakikita ko, by that time, wala akong pera. So, ang ginawa ko, may pera siya, umutang ako sa kanya, bumili ako ng sa akin. Going back. So, ayun na nga. Ito yung sa kanya, ito yung sa akin. So, she got the black one, black and gold. This, you can see there. By the way, this is my monitor. So, there. So, ito yung kanya. And focus, direct. Direct, focus, ayaw. Yan. Ito ngayon yung sa akin. I got the brown one. So, if you can see, focus, direct. There. This is a pretty good one. However, way back, probably March or May, biglang hindi na lang gumana yung bandang right piece. At that moment, parang, syempre, hindi ko naman masyadong kailangan. I have my Audio-Technica earphones din naman. And then, since 1 year naman yung warranty niya, I'm thinking na pwede naman ako pumunta agad dun sa store and then I can have it replaced. So that's why I just recently reported this. They sent me something like troubleshooting steps to probe, to isolate, and to resolve the issue. But after a couple of days of exchanging emails, they decided to just give me another one. Another one. So that's why I got this. And today, we're going to unbox this bad boy right here. And we're going to do that right now. So just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid to review this one. Shout out to the customer service team of Marshall. They made it so easy for me to get a replacement. So ito na yung Marshall headphones. That's how it looks. Here and here. One more thing I like about this is it has like ports. You can plug this in your phones or your music player. You still have one. So if you have another headphones, it doesn't have to be Marshall. You plug it here, there, and you can share the music. Let me try this.